Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So tonight I wanted to talk about Sonos. I love the speakers and I also love the charts. When you look at this company, you've seen something that went from a recent IPO pattern where, you came out, you sold off, and then all of a sudden it started catching on. Well, now we've already gotten through that. We've come back down. We're consolidating. We have a really nice weekly squeeze pattern, positive volume, an overall target at $50 a share. Now, when you look at a daily chart, it's definitely going to look a lot sloppier. Because you have seen that pullback and you've seen the cross in the moving averages and all that kind of good stuff. But when you look at the daily chart, you're still holding up really nicely above the 200 simple and you're starting to break out. Now, what I really like about this one is they do have earnings this week. And when you look at the way that this company has traded the last 3 quarters, you've seen massive moves. You've got an 18% move, 17% move, 10% move. So what that tells me is this rally that we saw last year is definitely justified, and this company is pretty good innovator. They're taking off, and they've done really well throughout the pandemic. When you have a company like this that is, selling kind of expensive goods, speakers, that kind of thing, luxury goods, and they've done so well throughout the crazy pandemic we lived through. Well, what are they going to do this quarter when we've really seen a lot of reopening going on? So what I did with this was a couple different things. Number one, I'm building up a larger stock position in this company. So I did go ahead and buy some shares of stock last week. I think it was around $32.50 or so, right around here. I did want to get, a smaller position size. I think I got like 1.5% of my overall portfolio in this, and I'm working up to about a 3% position. So what I want to do with this is, number one, I think we can trade options on the actual earnings report, which may even include selling some puts to pick up some more shares because we have some pretty high IV. When you look at the market maker move overall, you got a $2.83 market maker move. That it doesn't really strike me as something where I'd want to sell the at the money premium because the last couple moves have been bigger than that. But I would like to just sell some put credit spreads. So we can do this in a variety of different ways. Number one, I think just selling put credit spreads as just an overnight options trade would make sense. I can't tell you the exact strikes because this earnings report is going to be on the 11th. And so when I'm going to sell those on the 11th, they're going to have to be at the money. And I don't know where we're going to be trading then. So basically what I would do is I would look at the money strikes, try to get a put credit spread that had a solid risk to reward situation, and then make that as an overnight trade. Now, the other thing that I can do, because I do want to add into my stock position, is because your IV is so high, you got 132% implied volatility, it's only a $34 stock, coming in and, for example, saying, hey, I want to sell these 33 puts. I'm going to take in a dollar, maybe $1.30 per share. And then guess what? If it does fall within the expected range and I end up getting assigned those shares, then I have picked up stock at the $33 strike price, and I got paid $1.22 to do it. So just reduce my cost basis a little bit. Or the other option is to wait until that earnings report comes out. And instead of, selling puts or doing anything ahead of time, you can just come in here and then try to pick up some shares after hours if it does in fact dip. A lot of times, you get companies that are going to spike lower on the report and you can come in and pick up some shares when that happens at a discount, when there might be a little bit of a emotional reaction. So moral of the story is, I like the company. I like Sonos. I have the speakers, and I definitely want to add into my shares in here. And other than that, I will probably be trading this either in the Mastery or the Gold Room. Yeah, probably the Mastery because I don't have a Gold Room session on Thursday. Wait, no, what day is that? The Wednesday. Okay, so we'll talk about it in the Gold Room on Wednesday, actually, because it's going to be on Wednesday. So I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.
Hey traders, it's Danielle here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will never miss the latest take from our trading experts. Did you know that we provide real-time trade alerts so that you know exactly what we're doing, exactly when we're doing it? Go to www.simplertrading.com to learn more. Good trading, and we'll see you in the next video.